Hey guys, what's going on? This is Alien. I'm back with another tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to sidechain with Soothe 2 because it's amazing. First thing I'm going to go over is how to route your sidechaining. So I'm going to go over what I kind of have going on just very briefly before we do that. So just kind of how everything goes in my default template here is my submaster goes to my master, sidechain goes to submaster, drums, you don't want those to be sidechained, so they go to the submaster, bass instruments and sidechain effects, usually you want them sidechained, they go to the sidechain bus, and then FX goes to the submaster. Now, what you need to do in order to get this working in FL Studio is you need to take what you want to sidechain with and send it to your sidechain. So you'll see I have my kick here and it's already routed. I'm gonna unroute it and just kind of walk you through it. All you need to do, select what you want to send to the sidechain with, right click and click route to this track. Now you may be thinking, why don't you use sidechain to this track? It works with route to this track. I don't know if sidechain works, and I haven't tested it out. It doesn't really matter as far as I know. If it does, please correct me. I haven't done any real experimenting with it at all, but this is what works. It does exactly what I need it to do, so I would say just go with that. So now that you have it sent to the sidechain, you actually want to take the volume knob down here and bring it all the way down. So that's going to prevent any audio from the kick going to the sidechain and then from the sidechain to the submaster. So you're only going to have your kick coming out of your drum bus here, which is what you want, or wherever. Next, what you want to do is you want to come to your sidechain, obviously load up Soothe 2. I already got it on. And once you have it loaded on there, you want to click your little gear icon up here. Sometimes it pops up for me automatically, sometimes it doesn't. And you open your Fruity wrapper settings right here with the plug-in gear button, and then you want to come to processing right here. You want to just give that a click, and then you'll see sidechain input. Now you're probably wondering why there's 4 of them. I'll just explain real quick. They are in order which tracks are routed to the track that this is on. So I have my bass, instruments, sidechain effects, and kick routed to the sidechain channel. So it's 1 is bass, 2 is instruments, 3 is sidechain effects, and 4 is kick. So you want to put it on 4. Now, when you come back into the plugin, click your little plugin button right here. You're going to come down to the sidechain section. Click this on button and you are good to go. You're sidechaining with your kick. So when I play my kick, you'll see all this gargly EQ looking stuff down here. So those are actually, so what this does is it takes your kick and it takes the frequencies from the kick and it actually attenuates those frequencies and nothing else. So with your normal sidechain, you might be attenuating the entire track or a frequency range. I know that, I'm pretty sure LFO tool lets you do that, and I know for a fact Volume Shaper lets you do that because I've been using it for years. And both of those are still perfectly awesome ways to sidechain. It just depends on what you want. This is going to help you avoid getting that like pumping sound. So I found this to be good for things like rock tracks, where you're mixing like acoustic drums, things like that. The website for Soothe, like the people that created Soothe, recommends like gave a use case for it and recommended using it for like a lead vocal to have it cut through your mix really nicely. And I think it's just like one of the most practical things ever. So you can basically take any sound and make it fit into your mix however you want. So you can just basically make anything cut through anything. So I hope this is helpful. I think that it's pretty awesome, and I hope this comes in handy for you guys. One last thing, if you're just watching one of my videos for the first time, one of my 2 videos, which includes this one, I have a sound design tutorial on the Space Laces bass, like the real Space Laces growl bass. I think that's a pretty cool little weapon to have in the arsenal if you're especially if you're a dubstep producer. So if anything, if you like my videos, please subscribe and like them and leave a comment. Or if you hate them, you can not subscribe, dislike, and still leave a comment. That'd be cool. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. I believe I'm going to be making the rapid bass tutorial next time, so we'll find out. I might have something different though. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.